Well, hello, Farek here. I hope you enjoy this cause I did when I got it for 75 bucks. It's still 120 on Amazon. So yeah, let's start this. I always wanted to do the unboxing of a Nintendo product, and especially a Zelda one. As you see, it comes packaged like this. Yeah, I already had a look into it, but I packaged it already. So when you remove it, come on, you have to be careful. Okay, as to use the cable to protect the sticks. And yeah, what also is inside is of course the usual instruction manual that gets ignored by everyone. Yeah, I normally not ignore it, but I already read it. So, as you see, I opened up the packaging, so that's the charging cable, and that's the beauty. Come out, don't be shy. Yeah. As you see, it really shimmers and shines. Ooh, yes. And okay, I guess that way you see it. It's transparent, and you can see the Nintendo 3DS, new 3DS accumulator powering it. I think it's pretty well done, the Zelda Tears of the Kingdom Pro controller. Yeah. Okay, Farik out. Peace.